Welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'll be teaching you how to trade your Bitcoin. If you are a Ghanaian, I'll be teaching you how to trade your Bitcoin. Now it's very simple. So as you can see from this angle, I am a verified user of this website and I've performed so many transactions with them. You can see from this angle I've performed so many transactions with them. So they are very reliable. There is no need to fear of scam or any fraudulent act. So to sign up for this website, all you need to do is you just go to the official website. Now this website will be the link to this website will be placed in the description. So visit my description and then click the link and to take you to this website. Now they are very reliable, as I said earlier. You don't have to worry about any scam acts. Yes, sorry for the background noise though. So when you come to the official website, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like to visit the official website. So you click on get started. If you are a new person, you click on get started. So when you click on get started, it brings you to this page and you click on sign up. So to sign up, you'll be required to input your full name, your email address and password. If you're done with this, you'll have to select your country as well and you click on sign up. So for me, I already have an account with them, so all I would have to do is to just log in. So So this is their dashboard. This is how it look like when you log in or you are done creating the account. So as I said earlier, I'm a verified user and I've done so many other transactions with them. So this is their buying and selling rates. I think it's good and it's cool. Yes, it's good and it's cool. So before you start anything, you need to go through some things before your account will be active for any trading. So you'd have to verify your ID, verify your phone number, and verify the mobile money number you'll be using for the transaction to receive and to buy. Yes, so these are the few things you'd have to do. Now the manual payment method is MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Tigo Money, and Vodafone Cash. So these are the three payment methods which is accepted. Yes, so after you verified all this, you'll be able to trade anything you want. So to buy, let me take you through the process. You click on this buy here, and the minimum amount to buy from them is $30. Yes, that is the minimum amount you can buy from this website. So all you need is just input the $30 here, or you can see the amount in Ghana cedis as well. So just make sure the amount in Ghana cedis is equivalent to this $30. So from here, you just have to input your BTC address and you choose the minus fee. You choose the minus fee. You click on buy. So when you click on buy, they will send you a mobile money number to transfer the amount into. So you'll have to pay first, and after paying, if your payment has been confirmed or if your payment is confirmed, they'll quickly transfer your Bitcoin fund into your Bitcoin wallet. That is through the address you provided. And this is immediately. It doesn't take long, or it doesn't immediately. It happens between just 2 minutes, and but you get your Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet. So if you want to sell, this is how you go about it. You click on sell. As the buying goes, that's the same way. If you want to sell, that is the same things you do. So you just have to choose the amount. The minimum amount to sell is $20. You just have to choose the amount. You continue. So when you continue, this website will give you their Bitcoin address to transfer the Bitcoin fund into. So immediately they confirm the Bitcoin fund, they'll quickly transfer your mobile money or transfer the amount equivalent to the amount of BTC you are selling into your mobile money. And as I said earlier, this is also as fast as buying. This is also as fast as buying. So you confirm your money immediately after they've confirmed your transaction. Yes. So this is very simple. So if you are a beginner or you are into BTC trading, this website is a good platform to buy and sell your BTC. So if you are having any, or you are facing any problem with your account, or you've made a transaction and the transaction is failing to go through, or you have any other problems with this website, now the beautiful and wonderful thing here is that they've provided their WhatsApp contact. You can see their WhatsApp contact here is a Ghana line. It's a Ghana line. So you have to save this number here and you text them on WhatsApp. So if you text them on WhatsApp, their services are very good. They reply you immediately and take you through the process, help you confirm your transaction, and they also do their part as well. So if you want to contact them, this is now you can see their support service is available from Monday to Sunday, 24 hours. They are always active. That is it. So this is very simple. And if you want to contact them online as well, it's very simple. You just have to click on this. So if you click on this, all you need to do is start the chat with them. That is it. So, and also their online services is also available 24/7. You can contact them anytime you want. Anytime you are facing any problem, you can contact them from this place. You just have to input your name, your email, and you start a chat. So their agents will join you online and help you through your processes or anything you are facing difficulties with. So this is very simple. So lastly, to confirm or to verify your ID, you need a government initiated or government ID. That is the Ghana card. Yes, you need a Ghana card to verify your ID. That is it. So as you can see the step over here, so you take a clear picture of a valid ID. Now these are the only accepted IDs: the Ghana card, passport, and driving license. As you can see, now get a sheet of paper and write the following dates. You write pay blocks, write the date of which you are submitting this requirement. Yes, then you sign your official signature. Now you hold a sheet of paper together with the ID card. You hold the ID card and a sheet of paper, then you let somebody take a photo of you. Now be sure this is very clear as possible, so they can see everything and verify you very quick. Yes. So after completing the steps above, kindly contact us on the live chat. So that is, you contact them on the live chat and then you submit those informations to them. Now this verification process can take up to 48 hours. It can take up to 48 hours to get verified. So you just have to come down for them and they will verify you as quick as possible. Now there's no need to fear about scam. As I said earlier, there's no need to fear about getting scammed. I've performed so many transactions with them and it went through. So you don't have to fear about getting scammed. You don't have to fear at all. So as you can see here, processed. Yes, this is 1,170 Ghana cedis. Yes, so I've done a lot with them, and they are very good. That is why I am recommending this website to you. So kindly visit this website, make your trading with them, and enjoy your trading with them. That is it. So once again, the link is in my description. Now don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I make similar videos about this Bitcoin stuff and also make other tech content as well. They are very useful. So you can subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content like this. Now thank you for watching this video. Thank you for allocating time, stopping by to watch my videos. So we'll meet in my next upload. Thank you.